Introducing Dazz 3D, the most advanced yet affordable 2K LCD SLA 3D printer. Higher printing quality, faster printing speed, and super user-friendly controls. Dazz 3D was designed to be the best LCD SLA 3D printer for everyone. With the 2K resolution LCD screen, Dazz 3D achieves an XY axis resolution of 47 micrometers, the Z axis resolution of 10 micrometers. Thanks to its unique dual liner slides design, Dazz 3D can print a super stable status and ensure the reliability. What's more, the powerful motor to drive the Z axis allows Dazz 3D to achieve a fast printing speed, up to 36 millimeters per hour. Besides the great printing parameters, Dazz 3D is also built to upgrade the 3D printing experiences. Dazz 3D is the desktop 3D printer built with an air purification system. It will eliminate all the 3D printing air emissions, ultrafine particles, and unpleasant odors, and provide healthy and safe 3D printing environment. Dazz 3D supports a building size up to 120 millimeters by 68 millimeters by 150 millimeters. When printing the large models, its auto resin system will make it more convenient to refill the resins to the tank. No matter you are a beginner or a pro, you'll find Dazz 3D is super easy to use. You can use the cable, USB drive, or Wi-Fi connections to get started. With a 7-inch screen on its body, control and check the printing process is very intuitive for everyone. To make it even more easier for you, we offer free slicer program and share customized model files on our community. Just simply drag the files into the slicer and click the button. You'll get everything set for print. We truly believe that 3D printing is the future for many industries, and we want to make high-quality 3D printing available for everyone. No matter you are working on prototyping, jewelry design, dental studies, sculpting, education, or just printing for fun, Dazz 3D can be a great help for you. Support us today and let's make the vision come true.
Introducing SparkMaker Full HD, the most affordable 1080p SLA 3D printer. Featuring better printing quality, faster printing speed, and larger building volume. And the most important thing is that we keep the Full HD version affordable, as always. Our approach to making affordable 3D printers has been proven in our first Kickstarter campaign. Now, we are back with the second generation of SparkMaker with 1080p high resolution. Thanks to the 1080p LCD screen, SparkMaker Full HD can achieve a resolution of 57 micrometers in XY axes and 25 micrometers in the Z axes, giving you more flexibility and freedom for jewelry, dental, or prototype designs. SparkMaker Full HD keeps the SD card slot so that you can easily print offline. To make printing more convenient, we developed an app to control the printer through your smartphone. Simply select the STL file in the app, and you can start printing wirelessly right away. We are also launching 4 additional types of resin, so you can have more options for your printings. It has been a great journey since we first launched on Kickstarter last year. We have met many very experienced 3D print fans and grew together. We appreciate all the help you guys bring us. Now, it is time to start a new journey, and let's make SparkMaker FHD together.
This is a 3D printer that you can take anywhere. This is a 3D printer that is really simple and easy to use. Introducing the PocketMaker. PocketMaker is a pocket 3D printer that can be afforded with pocket money. The PocketMaker is designed to be perfect for beginner users, but also for expert users. You can not only print your own 3D model on your computer, but also connect your phone to print. All you have to do is use your phone to connect with PocketMaker. Select the model you want and just click Print. Replaceable nozzles, so you never have to worry about nozzle clogging. Flexible platform and colorful materials make 3D printing simple and fun.
We are the team behind PocketMaker.
We think that everyone could have the safe to 3D printing.
PocketMaker is just $99.
Because we want everyone to have one.
With PocketMaker, 3D printing is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
When it comes to 3D printing, resin printers provide higher quality printing results. However, the current SLA 3D printers on the market are either too expensive or require a steep learning curve. That's why we made Paladin, an all-metal SLA 3D printer that is simple and easy to use right out of the box, starting from only $299. It is made entirely of aluminum alloy for lightweight and strength. Its automatic leveling system makes printing prep easy. The auto refill resin adds speed and convenience. And its built-in air purifier eliminates bad odors and keeps the printing environment safer. In addition to its user-friendly features, Paladin uses a dual Z-axis design for high precision, accurate printing, and reliable consistency. We provide 3 unique types of resins: standard, touch, and castable. Now you can have more options for your printings. Whether you are a beginner or pro, you will find Paladin is super easy to use. Simply drag the printing file to the USB drive, plug it to the printer, press the start button, and it is all set. Then watch your creation come to life. With Paladin, anyone can begin 3D printing today and achieve incredible results for design, prototyping, artwork, or fun. Let's make it together.
.3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.
Hi, my name is Simon Shen. I'm the CEO of the XYZ Printings. Well, this is our headquarters in Taiwan. We have more than 355 engineers worldwide in US, Singapore, Taiwan, and Philippines, dedicated to develop the 3D printer. Since 3 years ago, we started thinking why the 3D printers only can print the mono objects like this. Why not we cannot do in the full color printing like this? In order to make your 3D printer become colorful, our engineers spent 3 years to develop the special formula of the 3D color inkjet POA and also CMY ink cartridge with our free software XYZ makers. And of course, color meaning, then you can start have your 3D printer become colorful